Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your landing pages in the Kajabi platform, and I'll also give you a couple of expert tips along the way. Check it out. So to update your landing pages, you're going to head over to the landing page area under website. So we're not looking at the website pages update, we're looking at specifically landing pages. If you want to learn about how to update your website pages or your website theme, you can check the video link in the description of this video where I show you exactly how to go and update the website theme pages. This one video is specifically about landing pages. So on your landing page area here, find the page that you want to update. If you have multiple pages you want to update, you're just going to have to repeat this over and over again, unfortunately. Hopefully you don't have hundreds of pages. But remember that you don't have to do an update unless you need whatever feature has been added or whatever fix has been added to the page. That's the only reason you need to update. Otherwise, just leave the page. You don't have to update it. So what we're going to do is make a copy of it. We're going to duplicate the page first. So before you ever do any update on a landing page, you always must do a duplicate, because sometimes things go crazy and the update just doesn't work, or it messes up your design. It could erase any code that you have in there and completely ruin your page. So safety measure is to make a duplicate. So we're going to go over here to our menu, and we're going to create a duplicate. You could also export it, and then you have it on file for you to save for future. But in this case, we're just going to do a duplicate because I'm going to update the original and just have a duplicate in case I need to just go back to the way it was before. So, all right, so I have my duplicate here. It has the extra one on the end, so I know which one is the duplicate. I'm just going to toss that one into draft. All right, so now I'm ready to go into the update. So I have the update button here. Open that up. And it tells me the information about what the update is going to be all about. You can click here if you want to go see what new has been added to it. We're going to hit preview. It's going to give you a little sample. We can go and view this preview full screen if we want. We can go and check and see, how bad is it going to be. Sometimes the preview will show you the issues and sometimes it doesn't. So that's why I always do a backup of it first before I do any updates. So it's important to remember that if you do have any custom coding in your page, it is going to wipe it out, which is what this warning is. It's Kajabi making sure we understand that we will lose the code if there is any in here. If it's just simple CSS coding, you should be fine. It usually doesn't overwrite that. But if there's code in the liquid code, that will definitely be overwritten. So we are good to go here. We're going to hit update now. And we'll let Kajabi kind of do its thing in the background, and it will do its updates. And then we're going to go through the template or not the template, but through your page, and go through and make sure that everything is working properly. And when we go to preview our page, we want to make sure that we do it in an incognito browser. So that just eliminates any cached versions of the page. It'll give us a more accurate view of what the page actually looks like, the live page. All right, so it is all done. We can go ahead and preview the page. If I wanted to go and open it up, I can take a peek at it here, and I could check to make sure your fonts are good, make sure your images came out okay, make sure that your buttons are the right color, the right styling, all that kind of stuff, and just do a nice quick scroll through and make sure there's nothing weird going on with that. And then if everything looks good, you can just head over to your duplicate there and go ahead and delete that page. You won't need it anymore because you're happy with the update. It's as simple as that. If you want to learn how to update your email templates, check out the next video on your screen here.